Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the things which we need before starting watercolor painting. Yes, my friends, we will discuss about the tools and the stuff, all that kind of material which we will use for watercolor painting. Let's see which those things are. And my friends, as you can see, this is the first thing we need watercolors. As you can see, different shades of color. This is golden color, gold color. This is green color, and this is pink. This is brown, and this is cream color. This is black, blue, dark green, red, yellow and white. All shades we need, and you can create more colors by mixing, by knowing all color recipe. And I have also mentioned the color recipe book into the given link below. You can check it out. And this is all we need all these colors. And let's move on to next thing. What we need here, we need this palette also. This palette is looks dirty with colors. As you can see, it need to be cleaned up. We need this palette also to mix all the colors. It is very dirty. I have used it a lot. This is oil color which I mixed before, but you can use a separate palette for mixing watercolor. You can use separate for oils and also for watercolors. And let's move on to next thing. Here are my friends pencil, watercolor pencils. You can also use Camel watercolor pencils to draw anything, as you can see. And you can also use Faber Gesso pencils. This is also a good choice rather than using this color. Both are perfect on its own. If you want to use pencil, you can use pencil. If you want to use this brush colors, you can also use it. The pencils are meant for more detailed drawings. If you want to do drawing in more details, you can use watercolor pencils. But you need brush also to blend the colors. And here next thing we move on to these brushes. I have here brushes, all these brushes we need. As you can see, we need all these colors and this palette. Also this different size of brushes. This is a large brush, this is a small brush. This is a small brush. Large brush if you want to cover more area, and small brushes you can use for small areas, for creating small things, for painting small stuff. And this is a medium sized brush. It is also very useful for creating plants, flowers and hairs, or any kind of stuff you can make through this one. And this brush is also a useful one. It looks a bit dirty, it needs to be cleaned up for a while, but you can use a new one rather than this one. All these brushes play a very important role. Every single brush is very important for different uses, for painting different purposes. and small brush. You can note down all sizes here. You can buy it from online also, from Amazon store, and you can also buy it from your local store also. And let's move on to next thing which we need. And here is the next thing, my friend. This is a sheet specially for watercolors. Water does not cross from this sheet. This is a special sheet. It does not even bend because of water, because of any liquid. It is a very special sheet designed for watercolor painting only. It is a very thick sheet. It is a very special sheet only made for watercolor drawings. For watercolor paintings you can use it. You can buy any size of sheet. You can buy it from website also. You can buy it from local store also. Any size you wish, any size you can try. Depend on your need. I personally use this one. You can also use it too. I can leave a link below for all the artist material in this in the description. You can follow up the link and you can buy from the website too. And after all this you need a idea what you would like to draw on it. You can draw landscape, flowers, portrait, anything you can draw over it. And you need a idea to draw something, and that's the last thing you need is any idea, any painting which you have prepared to make on the sheet, and to give your visions and dreams a projection on this sheet. And thank you very much my friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned to my channel for more lessons, for more courses, for more educational stuff. And let me know in the comments below what would you like to see more on my channel, more topics we can discuss about. You can share it with me on comments, through comments. Let me know and I will make more videos upon those things too. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support and love, my friends.